Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Friday, September 18th, 2020. Yesterday, boys and girls, you watched a video over Rosa Parks' life, a biography, and you were able to answer questions in regards to various events that happened in her life. Today, boys and girls, you will be reading a book about Rosa Parks on Mayan, and you will have one question, one prompt that you will answer today. I'm going to share my Schoology page with you so we can walk through the assignment really quickly. So again, you're in the week 5 folder, and we're going to go to Friday, and you're going to click on daily activities. So here, the first link is Rosa Parks. You will need to follow the steps exactly how they are. So the first step, you're going to go to Clever. After you go to Clever, you're going to click on the Mayan icon. Once you click on the Mayan icon, you will click back into Schoology and click this link, Rosa Parks. You cannot click the link Rosa Parks by itself. You will have to go to Clever, then Mayan, and then come back to Rosa Parks' link. You cannot click the link first because it will not open unless you have Mayan open. After you read the story in Mayan, you will have a short question that you will have to answer. So again, boys and girls, in order to get the book that you need to read, you need to follow the steps. Step 1, go to Clever. Step 2, click the Mayan button. And then once you click the Mayan button and the window opens, then come back to Schoology and click the word Rosa Parks. Once I click the Rosa Parks, see, I don't have Mayan open, so the book wouldn't open. So that's the importance of going to your Clever and opening Mayan. But once you click Rosa Parks right here, the book will open and you will need to read the book, and then you have a short assignment. Your assignment is here, Rosa Parks writing assignment. What you're going to do, boys and girls, thinking about what you have read over the last 2 days, if you could change the outcome, what would it be? Please answer the following prompts in 4 to 5 sentences. Complete sentences, meaning you need punctuation, you need capital letters, and you need facts from the book that you read. You need to put it in a paragraph, and you need to put your response here in the comment section. This will be graded. So boys and girls, you have until Monday to complete this assignment. I hope you guys have a great weekend, and I will see you again on Monday. Remember, boys and girls, that you have 2 assignments that need to be completed on Rosa Parks. See you on Monday. Bye-bye.